Hello friends, welcome to the channel which is just been titled as the Encrypt Technology. So in this channel you will be getting knowledge about cryptocurrencies, which is the actual application of encrypted technology. So in this encrypt world we will start from the introduction to cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. First of all, we will talk about cryptocurrencies. Okay, so here you can see there are a lot of things that are here about cryptocurrency that we can see, but cryptocurrency is nothing like that. Yes, this is something not visible at all. These are just imaginary pictures, and cryptocurrency is hidden, encrypted, coded money. And let me show you something. Coded. When we talk about codes, this type of things come into mind. Something that is created by codings, where the background that is working is coding, and that coding is actually called cryptography. Okay, so cryptography is the base of cryptocurrency, a money that is based on the cryptography technology. And the first thing that comes into mind when we talk about cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. So we will talk about Bitcoin, when it was started to exist, and if it actually exists or not, and what is the future of it, and how it come into the circulation, and what is its status right now. If you have a look at this, what is Bitcoin, I'm referring Investopedia website for this knowledge, and I will also tell you something from myself that I already know. Okay, so launched in 2009, Bitcoin is the world's largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Okay, so Bitcoin was actually launched in 2009, but its first introductory paper was assembled in 2008, where someone named as Satoshi Nakamoto, no one knows who was he, was proposed about Bitcoin, and later in 2009 he started to use it for the first time and launched it for the first time at a very low price of around $2 something. Okay, and later on, with the passage of time, its price started to trade it up, and now today it's trading at around $20,000, and it had its previous all-time high at $69,000. But we have to know a bit more about and how it come into existence actually, and how it actually works, where we can buy it, how to trade it, and why people trade it, and why it is important actually. So, unlike fiat currency, Bitcoin is created, distributed, traded, and stored using a decentralized ledger system known as blockchain. Okay, a decentralized system called blockchain. The base of cryptocurrency is blockchain and decentralization. The reason of introducing Bitcoin is decentralization. We will talk more about decentralization in later videos, when we will be talking about Web 3.0 and all. Currently we will be strict to the Bitcoin. Here is another introduction of it. A cryptocurrency, a virtual currency designed to act as money and a form of payment outside the control of any one person, group, or entity, and thus removing the need for the third party involvement in financial transactions. So this is the base, and this is the very brief introduction, very short and very precise introduction of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Why it was produced? There is a simple small reason that cryptocurrency is used to make the world decentralized and take the control of the things from limited hands to everyone, which means anyone who owns a Bitcoin have the authority. Anyone who have a Bitcoin or a part of Bitcoin is the owner. No third party is involved. If you make a transaction using Bitcoin, you will not have to ask your bank, you will not have to ask your government, you won't have to ask anyone. You will directly make a transaction without having any third party involved in it. Okay, No people, no person, no group of person, no company, nothing. You will do it on your own, and one more thing, you will be responsible for whatever you do on your own. Okay, so this technology, when it started to grow later on, we saw a lot of things in it, a lot of improvements. We started to have more and more cryptocurrencies. Right now, if I take you to, I actually doing everything right in front of you, so you can understand how to use things. I will take you to coin market cap to tell you how many cryptocurrencies we have right now, and how much volume it has already covered, and how much else I can explain. Let's see. So total cryptos are 21,040 cryptocurrencies currently in the market. Okay, and 509 exchanges. We will also talk about exchanges. We will talk about cryptos, and its market cap is 918 billion right now. 918 billion dollars right now. And Bitcoin, as being the biggest cryptocurrency by volume, its volume is the 39.54% of this total volume. Here is the total volume, and it's 40% almost. It generally goes above 42-43%, but currently it is at 39.4. 39.4% is Bitcoin out of this, and Ethereum is 17%. Ethereum is the second biggest currency by volume. It was introduced, I think, around about 2011, I think, or 13 somewhere, and it's covering 17.7% of the total cryptocurrency market. So these two are dominating in more than 50% volume of cryptocurrency market. It is just an introductory class, so it looks like no head and foot, but we will later be explaining different coins, different strategies, different ways how to trade, how to invest, how to buy, how to sell, and all a lot. We will be talking about everything. Here is a list of cryptocurrencies by ranking. Like number 1 is Bitcoin, second is Ethereum. These are by volume actually. Third one is Ether USDT. This is a stable coin. Let's say something about stable coins too. Stable coins are those which are equivalent to a dollar, or sometimes they are equivalent to a euro, and they always stay there. You can see its value is $1. Its value will remain $1 for all the time. It may fluctuate a little bit, like 1 or 2 cents sometime, but generally it's at $1. USDC is another stable coin. It's also pledged at $1. Then comes the BNB. BNB is a native coin of Binance, which is the largest exchange by volume. Then comes the Binance USDT and an XRP and all. Here you can see a very huge list of cryptocurrencies. As I told you, 21,000 cryptos are already in the market. So this was just an overview. This was just an introductory video, so you will not get a lot from it, but later on we will be talking about specific things, specific matters and specific updates, and later on you will get a lot from it. So do subscribe the channel, of course, and you will get more updates about cryptocurrencies on time. And see you later with another video. Goodbye.